This is the Trunab portable travel bag for the Gen 3 StarLink. Let's see how it fits. There's quick release clips here. It's easy to open and close. Alright, so the dish of the StarLink goes like this with these flaps up the short ends. Flip over. This flips over. Then you flip it over. You have this wide pocket right here. Flip it up. In here you have a wide pocket and a smaller pocket. The wide pocket fits the router underneath almost perfectly. The pouch on this other side is good for the power supply. The power cord, the data cable. There you have it. Ready to go. And now, head off to rely on the bolts.